Bought these for long distance travel. I saw them months ago online as I was looking at different products, and I found these. And I'm gonna try them out. I just don't know which helmet to try them out in. But they're a really cool idea where you've got this case that goes around your ears and your head, and then you've got this little air bladder behind it that you pump up so it sits on the side of your helmet. And then you seal this thing to your ear with your speaker inside of it. So I'm going to give that a try. I'll try in one of my helmets here soon and see how they work. So basically what you get is one little pump, two of these air bladders that hook to the pump. You get some Velcro for the back of these. Just those are the part that go in the helmet. There's your T-valve, and there's some clamps. And these are where we're going to put our speaker in there. Now this is a heavy duty case on there. These are actually hard. I'm not sure how they're going to feel, but this is super squishy, like memory foam. Really nice.